In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a Typeform. This skill is incredibly useful for fine-tuning your surveys or forms to ensure they provide the best possible experience for your respondents. Whether you're new to Typeform or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide is designed to walk you through the preview process step by step. So let's dive in. First things first, let's start with the basics by navigating to the Typeform website. When you get to the home page, you'll find it's intuitively designed, making your next step quite straightforward. However, if this is your first visit, or if it's been a while, look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the web page. Clicking this will bring you closer to accessing your forms. Once you've clicked on login, a new set of options will appear. Since Typeform allows for various login methods, for the sake of simplicity and speed, let's choose Continue with Google. This option is ideal if you're already signed into your Google account, as it streamlines the login process, saving you the hassle of remembering another password. However, if you prefer or require a different method, feel free to use the one that suits your needs best. After selecting Continue with Google, you might experience a short waiting period. Technical processes and security checks are happening in the background to secure your access. Usually this wait is brief, just a couple of minutes. Use this time to perhaps jot down some notes about what you want to check in your form preview, or simply take a moment to stretch. Now, with the login process completed, it's time to navigate to your specific form. If you have multiple forms, finding the right one could take a moment. If you're following along from the embedded link in our guide, it will take you directly to your form, but if not, you can easily find it by looking for the workspace or form name listed on your Typeform dashboard. Each form you've created or have been working on will be listed there, complete with thumbnails to help you identify them quickly. Once you've located the correct form, click on it to proceed. Looking at your form's dashboard, you'll notice various icons and options for editing, sharing, and of course previewing your form. The preview icon, which is crucial for our next step, is typically located at the top middle part of the screen. This icon might be represented by an eye or a play symbol, depending on updates to the Typeform interface. So keep an eye out for either. Clicking on this icon opens a new browser tab or window, where your form will be displayed just as a respondent would see it. Once you're in the preview mode, take your time to go through the form as if you were the one filling it out. This step allows you to experience firsthand the flow, question logic, and overall design from a respondent's perspective. Pay attention to how intuitive the navigation is, how clearly the questions are framed, and whether any media or design elements are displaying as intended. This is also an excellent opportunity to check for typos or any inconsistencies that might confuse your respondents. As you're previewing, it's a good idea to make note of any changes or adjustments you'd like to make. Once you've thoroughly reviewed your form and are satisfied with how it presents, you can simply close the preview window or tab to return to the Typeform editor and implement any modifications. Remember, the goal of previewing your Typeform is to ensure it's not only visually appealing but also functional and user-friendly. Small tweaks based on your preview experience can significantly enhance respondents' interaction with your form, leading to better engagement and more accurate data collection. That concludes our tutorial on how to preview your Typeform. I hope you found these steps clear and easy to follow. Previewing is a critical part of the form creation process, enabling you to make data-driven decisions and perfect your forms before they go live. With practice, you'll become quicker and more efficient at navigating through these steps, ensuring every form you create is of the highest quality right from the start. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips on making the most out of your Typeform experience.